Sometimes the journey doesn't go as planned. You start with company but end up alone. This is my story of climbing Sinagad Fort alone, hungry, exhausted, and yet unexpectedly finding kindness in strangers.
Hello, it's my third day in Pune, and today I'm going to Sinagad Fort with my friend. Actually, that road is closed for some marathon related event, so they are not allowing cars. And I'm about 3 kilometers away from the fort. I decided to walk all the way till the fort because I don't want to miss this. I don't know when I will be back. So my friend dropped me here, and then he had gone back because he has other things to do in the evening. He cannot accompany me, and I decided to not miss the chance. So just walking. Where is Hamidu? This is what I need exactly when I say I'm solo traveling. I need to do what I love to do without being worried about anything. Here, I'm just walking, climbing the hill without thinking about anything else, just enjoying the wind and the climb and the views. I'm really hungry. I have only one Snickers in my bag. That I don't think it's good idea to eat now because it's a long journey. Have to reach the top at least before taking it out, I guess. Otherwise, I will get hungry again and again. Then what will I do? I will just control my hunger. I cannot control it. I will just control my urge to eat that Snickers and will just keep on walking. As I am alone here, I can maybe sing also. I can ooh. I can dance. I can do whatever I want. There is no internet connection, no people, only hills, nature, me, birds, and good views. Ah, that's it. I need to eat now. Next point, wherever I see where I can sit and have some water and have the Snickers what I have, then after that I will continue. I got some place to sit, and this is the time that I should eat my Snickers. Why am I so hungry? Why am I always hungry? Half is enough for now. Half I will save for later. Just to make my stomach not to cry anymore. That's enough.